Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today's video is really close to my heart because I want to share something that almost all of us go through. It's overthinking. Overthinking is like slow poison. It eats your mind from inside, and sometimes we don't even realize it because we keep thinking, what did they say? What did they mean? What did why didn't they reply? What are they talking about me? What are they thinking about me? But maybe no one else is even thinking or talking about you. It's just you versus your own mind. And it feels like your brain is never silent because you can't focus, you can't sleep properly, and sometimes when you're smiling, there's this constant noise always going on in the background. So इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स अपने ओवर थिंकिंग पे कंट्रोल करना. कभी कभी हमें खुद को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि हम सोच क्या रहे हैं. लाइक एंड आई नो पीपल से दैट इट्स ओके, डोंट थिंक टू मच. बट बोलना बहुत ईजी है, बट कभी कभी उस चीज़ को कंट्रोल करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक टेलिंग a person to stop overthinking. It's like telling a crying person to just be happy. No, it doesn't work like that. You can't just press a button and stop your thoughts. ऐसा नहीं होता है. होप ऐसा होता तो हम सबके लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता. It's all about training your mind. That takes time, effort, and awareness. When I felt like I couldn't talk to anyone, I started writing. Anything, good thoughts, bad thoughts, whatever come to mind, just write it all. It it's like cleaning your mind, and बहुत ज़्यादा help मिलेगा. When you write, you understand what you are really feeling. And second, meditation a medicine for your mind. अगर मैं उसको सिंपल वे में समझाऊँ, we take medicine when our body is sick, right? Same, our mind also needs care, and meditation is that care. Through meditation, it gives you power to pause, power to respond, not react, power to observe your thoughts instead of getting lost in them. And for me, meditation it's like a mental medicine. So through meditation आपके लाइफ में बहुत changes आएंगे, overthinking में बहुत control आएगा, and also it gives you power. So yeah, stopping overthinking doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. It's all about training your mind, and it's a process. But just remember, you have more control than you think. Just take one small step today. Breathe, meditate, talk to yourself, and don't judge your mind. Just heal it. And I want to share something. My mother always used to tell me, when nothing makes sense, when you don't know what to do, when every path feels blocked, just leave everything in God's hand. There's one way that's always open, it's a God way, and she's right. So start writing your thoughts, try 3 minutes of meditation, talk to God just like you're talking to a friend, just share what's on your heart. But just remember, control your thoughts, don't let them control you. And your peace starts with you. That's all I have to say. Close to yourself and to God. Talk to yourself always. That's all I have to say. Take care.